Hi, welcome back to my channel Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are on recovery journey. I wanted to share my current routine, how I'm doing and how it is going on. Well, before getting into the anxiety, I had some routine in my life and I used to follow that. But after this anxiety panic attack, I have added some more things in my routine and that I am following, and it is working and I'm feeling that change and looks like I'm getting back to the track. Let's see. First thing, daily I'll spend some time and I'll write it down if any thought comes or how I was feeling, each and everything. Okay, I will write it down. Along with that, I will also write it down about I am very strong and I am very healthy. Okay, such affirmation I will write daily basis. Other than that, 10k steps walking. So walking, which I used to do before also, but here what I have included is like while taking a walk, I listen to my favorite songs. Okay, so that will cheer up my mood and it I like that moment. Okay, for 10,000 steps I will take daily and it will take around 1 hour for me to complete 10,000 steps, and I listen to my favorite songs. That 1 hour dedicated only for me. I don't want to think anything else, just listen to the music and enjoy that moment. Okay, this is one more thing I have included. And then other thing, breathing exercise, which I used to do before also, but now I did some slight modification in that, and I will take out a 1 hour for that. Alom vilom and brastrika and brahmari. Okay, and deep breathing. Okay, these 3 to 4 exercise I will do daily. For that, again, 1 hour only dedicated to breathing exercise. Okay, this also I included in my daily routine. And other than that, I am watching one comedy serial, you can say, or a movie, you can say. Again, 1 hour I'll spend there daily. Before sleep, I will go and I will watch that one comedy, anything, whichever you like. Okay. Since I am from India and I watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, one episode or two episode, yeah, two episode mostly, yes. So 1 hour I will take and I will watch that from the YouTube, and really I laugh a lot. Okay, that used to be my favorite serial during childhood, and now again I want to get that energy back, and I am seeing that since last 2 weeks, the daily before sleep I'm watching that, and I can see the changes. Okay, that one thing I have included. Talking to your friends. Okay, randomly I'm calling my friends, I'm just talking, and I'm spending time there also, and there is nothing much I'm following with the diet especially. So whatever we make, there is nothing, to be frank, it's like a normal food what I used to eat, the same thing. There is no change in that. Only these are some changes, like listening music, watching some comedy videos and writing it down, and reading books. Yeah, that is also on, but daily I don't do, but whenever I get free time I read the books. Okay, that also I have included now. And talking to your friends. Okay, these are some changes I have made in my life, and to be frank, I am seeing changes. And this again I would like to say, this initially I couldn't do this. Okay, I don't know, like I was just feeling all the sensation, and I was like, okay, maybe doctor has missed something. I used to think like that only. I did hard work to reach here by accepting. So acceptance is like, again, I'm repeating, acceptance is the key for anxiety recovery. So once the acceptance starts, then slowly we can do changes in our lifestyle and we'll see the changes. Okay, the same thing I have done, and I will update you guys how it is going on. Let me know how your anxiety is going on, your symptoms, whatever. If you want to talk to me, please message me in the Instagram or in the comment box. I'll come live and we can talk about the anxiety and your issues, whatever it is. Okay, so please support me, please subscribe to my channel, because I am the one, I think, in the YouTube I didn't find anybody who is currently suffering from the anxiety. I think I am a live example, currently going through the anxiety, living with the anxiety, right? So please support me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, bye.